Welcome to 1209 Windsor Drive in the charming city of Brookings, South Dakota. This stunning 1999 split-level home offers the perfect blend of comfort and style, making it an ideal choice for anyone looking for a beautiful move-in ready home. But let's take a look at what this neighborhood has to offer first. Step inside and be greeted by an inviting open floor plan that effortlessly combines the living, dining, and kitchen areas, creating a warm and welcoming atmosphere for gatherings and everyday living. With 4 generous bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, there's plenty of space for everyone to enjoy their privacy and relaxation. The lower level offers a walkout to the backyard and a cozy fireplace to take the chill off in those South Dakota winters. But the beauty of this home doesn't stop inside. Step outside to your fenced backyard, perfect spot to play, pets to roam, or for hosting barbecues and outdoor gatherings with friends and family. Check out the view from this deck. Situated in a friendly, vibrant neighborhood, 1209 Windsor Drive is close to excellent schools, shopping, and parks for all kinds, furry or not furry, offering a convenient and enjoyable lifestyle for everyone. This home is move-in ready and just waiting for its next new proud owners. Don't miss the opportunity to make 1209 Windsor Drive your new address. Contact us today for a private showing and take the first step towards making this beautiful house your new home. We're the Brookings Home Team. How can we serve you? Thanks again for watching, guys, and be sure to follow us on all of our other social media platforms. Bye now.